In this bag, I have beauty items from Walmart, Walgreens, Target, and Amazon. So yes, this is my beauty haul. Because this thing it's heavy, let me get it started. And do not destroy the camera on the way. Oh, some of those purchases are inspired by other YouTubers because they were strongly recommend certain items, and also not TikTok, but Instagram. Here we go. Either way, first one it's from ELF. That's their melting balm, holy hydration makeup melting cleansing balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and peptides. I heard, or I should say, people they do like this product, and because they've been raving about it for a while, I decided to give it a try as well. So it comes in a package like this. You're getting 2 ounces, which is 56 grams. So yeah, or I should say, I will find out and report it back to you. I have a bath mint from EQUATE. That's the Walmart version. EQUATE Beauty Exfoliating Bath Mint stimulate massages to clean, revitalize skin. Even though it's a mint, it has texture. So, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Next item, it's powder from Revlon. Colorstay Press Powder Shine Free for 16 hours. In a color fair. Do I really need it? No. But it's been a while, or at least I don't remember, when Revlon released their press version. Possibly they have a loose one, but not press. For the last year, maybe two, Revlon they keep releasing newer and newer products, and at least 8 out of 10 has my approval. So I decided to buy this one because I'm thinking about making video, and also why not? Because I didn't use this one in the past, so I took my chances. This item it's from EcoTools. That's their what was it? Gentle facial cleansing cloths. Best with facial cleanser. Perfect for removing makeup. If you're familiar with the magic eraser, this is similar, but comes in a different shape. Yeah, how do you come in? Oh, so it's not enough that the orangey, they also have a little holder. Let's try with 3 fingers. And then you can just remove it. They're very soft. So they are made from the microfiber. It's up to you if you want to use it wet only with water, or if you wanna add cleanser, so then the makeup is gonna be removed faster. But yeah, I'm like, that's neat idea. Right now, I don't mind going and purchasing one more lip balm from Neutrogena. That's one with SPF and also comes with a tint. That's their Sunnyberry. I have many of those and I do like it. From the same brand, I have the lip gloss with Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine with hyaluronic acid in a shade Pink Sorbet. So this is a repurchase, and I do enjoy the the Neutrogena lip products because they're like no mess, no fuss lip items. You don't really need a mirror in order to apply it. I just show you a powder also. I have eyeshadows from Revlon, new and improved Revlon Colorstay Day to Night, shade 530 Seductive, so those are the purples. Besides this, they have I think 2 or 3 other shades. I was aiming at the browns, or I should say the more neutrals, but then I'm like, you know what, I have so many neutrals, let me give it a try. And whew, we shall see, because I'm gonna put them into use. For makeup items from Neutrogena, I have their blush. They have 2 blushes. I was looking for the peach one, which they didn't have, but that's one in Rosy. Let's see if I can open it. Yes. Go, that's the Rosy blush. Okay, so very gentle and neutral. Then also have their color correcting compact clear coverage with niacinamide, and it's aimed for who? Lightwell multitasking powder formulated with niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, green and yellow color correcting powders designed to even brighten skin tone and control shine with matte finish, non-comedogenic and free from all fragrance parabens as SLES, sulfates and phthalates. Okay, let's see if I can open and show it to you. This was another YouTube inspired by, come on you.
3 hours later.
Okay, so when you open it, you have a mixture of colors. Okay. Yeah, because I know even though it looks green, when you apply it, you cannot see that green. It kind of, it disappears. It melts into your skin. And since I'm pink skin tone, I should say I have pink undertones, I'm gonna give it a try. And then one more powder from Wet n Wild, Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder, Vegan Tea Tree Vitamin E. Clarifying Finishing Powder, Bare Focus in Fairlight. So yeah, to be find out possible this is something similar to it. So yeah, I'm gonna put them into use. I still have long way to go. From Garnier, I have their Micellar Water. That's the all-in-one waterproof, remove makeup, even waterproof mascara, cleans suits. No rinse, nor harsh rubbing, face, lip, eyes. So that's the one with the oil, so you have to shake it, then put on a cotton pad and use it. I have a small bottle of it and I did like it, so I purchased the big one. But also they have something else. Where are you? Okay, so I just show you the pads from EcoTools. Garnier, they have theirs as well. Micellar Cleansing Eco Pads, reusable makeup remover pads. That you having 3 pads, you can use them up to 1,000 washes. But the nice thing about it, they are quite big. So on one side they're pink, on the other they're white. But so here we go. So if I can compare them, so this is bigger, but you can use this for the face. You have the little thing for to put your fingers. This it's there for the eyes or for the whole face. From Advanced Clinicals, I have their body lotion. This one is with collagen. Advanced Clinical Spa Size Collagen Skin Rescue Lotion. Soothing lotion for post-treatment, hydrates, lifts, firms, promotes an even looking skin tone, fragrance free, dermatologist allergy tested green tea, aloe, chamomile. Green tea overall it's good for your skin, same as aloe vera because it's very hydrating. Aloe vera is very hydrating, and chamomile it's soothing. You're getting 16 ounce, which is 450 grams, and yet this tube will last me for a long time. Besides collagen, they have few other variation. I think there is one with retinol, hyaluronic acid. In the past, I have a face mask with hyaluronic acid. It was coming in similar tube, but it was smaller. But the tube itself was still big. I believe it was like 3.4 ounces, and it took me a while to use it. Advanced Clinicals, it's a company made by women, or I should say female dermatologists. It's based in Chicago. And if you follow them, or even if not, I'm sure you saw this brand in many places. And I don't mind supporting other females. That's the reason why I bought it. And also, I was curious of the item. I don't mind body lotions, but at certain point, you wanna use something different, or let's say something richer, because we apply our skincare on the face with serum, cleanser, toner, and all the other stuff. What about our body? We are forgetting. So yes, that's another reason why I decided to go for this lotion. It's FRUCTIS Slick Shine Glass Hair Water, 10 second smoothing, rinse out. So this is like the L'Oreal 8-second mineral water. To be find out, it's a little bit cheaper, maybe like $1 or $2 cheaper. However, Garnier, it's, what is it, no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens. I think they were cruelty free as well. Yeah, vegan formula. From AOA, I have their makeup sponges, which people do enjoy it, and compare them to the beauty blender. So this pack of 6 cost me like $10. And yeah, since I heard so many good things about it, I'm gonna give it a try. But that's the size of the sponge. It's already really squishy. And as with the sponges, it better grow in size. But yeah, I have high hopes for this sponge. From PIXI, I have their Hydrating Milky Mist, which is repurchase. Already went through, I don't know, 5 or 6 of those, and I do like it. I use it as a toner or sometimes during the day just to hydrate my skin. Hydrating Milky Mist, Hyaluronic Acid Oat, Seductive Mist, and that's what it is. You have 2.7 ounce, which is 80 ml, and the mister is very fine. So that's another reason why I do enjoy this item. I'm gonna follow up by a scrub from Tree Hut. That's their Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub. Reveals brighten looking skin. And let's check how it smells. Huh. It smells like bubble bath? Yeah, it does. It does smells like bubble bath. And if you're familiar with the Shea Sugar Scrubs, they cost below $10. And since you're getting a huge tube, it's gonna last you for a while as well. It's 18 ounce, which is 500 ml. From AUSSIE, I have leave-in conditioner. No, Total Miracle Detangling Spray with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. My hair, they always get tangle. Like right now, I get a haircut, so they're a little bit shortened. But either way, I decide to pick it up because even though now my hair are shortened, they're gonna be frizzy no matter what. So I'm gonna see what miracle this product can do for my hair. I have a big size of the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray Prime Correct Set 16-hour wear. This is a big size, it's 6 ounce, 177 ml. You can buy a smaller one, but at Walmart you can buy the big one. Took the advantage, and yes, I did bought the big bottle. From Curel, I have their hand cream extreme dry hand relief. Soft and smooth, moisturizes dry hand, lasts through several hand washes with nourishing eucalyptus extract, 3 ounce, 88 ml. Okay. Oh. No, it doesn't. No, I cannot smell anything. But I do like the lotions, especially for the itch relief skin, which comes, I think, in a similar package. No, it doesn't really smell. But yes, this is for dry skin. I'm gonna give it a try. Few more makeup items left. From Revlon, I have their primer with SPF. Revlon Colorstay Prep Protect Primer Base with SPF 34. It's 26 ml, which is 0.9 ounce. And yet to be find out. By the way, this is another YouTube inspired purchase. Another primer, it's from L'Oreal, that's their matte primer. Infallible matte lac mattifying primer, long wear 120, I think that's the number. You're getting 1 ounce, 30 ml. They have this one and then another one which comes in the same tube, but it's for either glowy or hydration. Either way, I took this one because this is supposed to be similar to their Studio Primer, which used to come in a glass jar, but that one got discontinued. And the person whose video I was watching, she said this is the closest thing. So that's the reason why I decided to pick it up. A few more things left and we're almost done. From ELF, from the Cookie and Cream collection, I have their cream eyeshadows. No Budge eyeshadow. No, it's Cookies and Dreams. That's the brown shade. And if I remember correct, their stick or creamy eyeshadows are really good. And right now they have a new collection. I think that was the Dunking collection. But I was aiming at it and I'm like, yeah, why not? I have a sunscreen from Black Girl Sunscreen, moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body, SPF 30, infused with jojoba and avocado, ultra sheer, no white residue, fragrance free. No, I'm not dark skin, but I don't like when I have a white cast. And even though I'm light skin tone, yes, I can still get a white cast. With the gel sunscreen, you can apply them anytime and just don't worry about it. And yes, it is sealed. So let me take off the seal so I can show it to you. Okay, so comes in like a white thing. So yeah, there is no residue. That's kind of neat. But yeah, because there is no residue, I can apply this on my face and let's say on my face, and I don't have to worry to cover with makeup. But also this can be nice for the body. So they were having, I believe, 30, 45, and 50. Besides 30, they have 50 and one more, but I don't remember. Either way, I took the 30 just to give it a try. And you're having 3 ounce, which is 90 ml. I have a couple of purchases. First one is the Revlon mascara, So Fierce Big Bad Lash, Extreme Volume Lash Tint Effect. I have this mascara in the past and I did enjoy it, but this one, it's a waterproof, comes with like a hourglass brush. Do I need another mascara? No, but I saw it. I'm like, yes, you going home with me. And talking about the mascara, I have the Lash Falsies Lash Lift. Also comes with a hourglass brush. And yes, it's the same story as with this one. I have the regular one, but because it's waterproof, I decided to pick it up. So that's my, let's call it repurchase. And I have 2 lip glosses. First one, it's from L'Oreal. That's their, I think, Paradise Gloss in color 70 Angelic Daydream. And I have 2 of those. I already have 2 other colors from this line, and even though it looks very bold, no, it's gonna be sheer on your lips. And then from Maybelline, I have their Moon. And this color, I have it in the past. This is a repurchase, but also it's a dupe for one of the Fenty lip glosses. Even though, okay, so if you look at it, that's, you can look at it and say, oh, it's gonna be dark. No, the color doesn't even transfer. It gives you like a light tint with a lot of glitter, which is very gentle. That's the reason why so many people enjoy this lipstick. Not lipstick, this lip gloss. My bag is empty, and that means it's time to end up this video. I see you next time. Bye.